So welcome back to the vlog. So today is the day we're gonna go pick up the VARIS parts. But first thing first, I need to take this skirt off, this side skirt off, put it in the back, and then drive over Dan's house, and then we're gonna take the bumper off at Dan's house because I'm gonna take the bumper over to Maryland and then trade it for the other bumper. Well, it's like a trade and cash thing. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I already took the side skirt off last time, replaced it, and you guys already know what it looks like. So I'm just gonna speed past it. Well, not really speed past it, I'm just gonna go do it. Yeah, without recording, because it's pretty boring, it's pretty repetitive, and I try not to do too many repetitive content on the channel for those that actually watch it. But yeah, appreciate everyone for the constant support this whole year. Hopefully by the end of December we could hit 300. It's not too far away, and I mean I think it's a slow growth, but I'm pretty excited with it. You know, at least it turned out pretty good. The Evo's looking amazing how I want it to. Maybe next year is going to look a lot different. Like I said, I'm still looking to figure out the rear bumper, the rear quarter panel flares, and possibly new wheels. So we'll see once we put these wheels on how it fits, and because the fender is a little bit wider than this. I think he said about 8mm wider, so it might even look a lot more, the fitment might look even a lot more better with the new fenders. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this side skirt off and give you guys a cool start. Take the lip off and do it. Notice it looks like that. So yeah, we're gonna wait for the car to warm up. Then we're gonna head over to Dan's house, meet with Squirrel, probably grab some lunch, and then go pick up the parts. Ooh. Can't wait to get my seats in here because I want to get rid of these. But I'm still waiting for the bracket. So there's an update on the seats, guys. Still waiting on the bracket. And for the daily, I still haven't decided yet. So yeah, we're still waiting on that. Let's just focus on the new parts for the Evo. Wraps coming in this week, and so I'm gonna wrap the parts that it is, you know, a different color, obviously, because it's not in white. And even if it's white, I want to wrap it to the green to match. But yeah, let's wait for the car to warm up. Then I'll roll to Dan. You know, go see the 2 award-winning vehicle owners. It's a beautiful day in Virginia today, peeps. Today's gonna be pretty much the last day before it, yeah, snow next week. But
in 1.1 miles, turn left onto Loudoun County Parkway.
Woo! I still don't remember how to get to Dan's house. Just pulled into Dan, and probably gonna take the bumper off. Oh, I didn't bring anything to put the bumper on.
That's alright, I got stuff.
I totally forgot.
I figured you would.
Damn,
I got stuff.
That confident level. Whew. Squirrel's not here yet? I thought he was gonna be here early.
No.
I'm hungry. I haven't eaten none yet. Yeah, Shake Shack sounds right about good right now. Alright, we gotta take this bumper apart and then put it into Dan's truck. Go grab the stuff. We'll grab lunch and then grab the stuff. So, you went camping here?
No, I was putting stuff in.
Oh man, for emergency, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a box like that too, like a blanket,
Dude,
extra clothes.
I got sleeping bag, a pillow. There's a hammock in here as well as like recovery gear, and I have a full
smart man. I do have a go bag as well at my house.
Yeah, there's clothes and stuff in there too. Like there's enough that I could live out.
Like
there's no food, but there's enough that I
Oh no, I got like a couple MREs, money, freaking knives,
Yeah, I keep money in the truck.
guns,
And all my vehicles.
just in case. Oh, what am I doing? I just opened it. That's what happens when you talk. You can't do two things at once. Ooh. Ooh. Thing look beautiful right there. About a month now, huh? Since I last talked to him? Well, since we talked about it? Oh, that thing comes off pretty easy.
Yeah.
Alright, peeps, so we took the vinyl wrap off since he's gonna paint it. But yeah, I kind of do miss this white look. There we go. She's finished taking the bumper. Alright, she's off. And she's in. Squirrel's here.
Yes, I am.
My man. Woo. Looking good, huh? We'll miss this old bumper.
Man, give it 3 weeks, you're gonna buy another one.
Dang, why you gotta say it like that,
I'm
bro?
just saying.
Why you gotta say it like that, man? It's a VARIS bumper. I'm not gonna buy that.
That's what you said before, and then you keep buying shit.
Bro, you're not the one to talk.
No, I buy one time, and I don't buy the same thing.
Okay.
You're saying
What's the next thing for this thing?
nothing. I'm done.
You sure? I thought you wanted something else, like the ski box.
Yeah, that was it. I mean, that's nothing in the vehicle.
Whoa, that's new.
What's new?
This.
Oh, the APR? That's
Stuff was
two.
off last time.
Was it?
Yeah, that's it.
I haven't paid attention to that.
Last week.
Nice.
That's easy to clean, man. Just wipe it. Watch it.
Are you convincing Dan to get PPF?
I mean,
He wants it.
I would be able to buy another car for what it would cost.
Here it is, guys. Look at that.
You got the scan, dude?
scan.
Yeah, if you pull it out, there's like a thing I can scan and
See, you got a clean garage.
He got a garage. Yeah, I've got a garage. Woo.
switch over to my cookie.
Nice, man. What do you think, Squirrel?
I like it, man. Just make up your goddamn mind, though. This is it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
That works out.
Yeah. Appreciate it, Kev. Thanks, man.
Of course.
Woo. Guys,
figure out how this one will fit.
we're gonna try to fit this into the truck and then head back and try to install it today. Got all the hardware.
Then you got neither. That's three
And I
different
got-
colors.
Yeah, we do have 3 different colors. On the wheel. Yeah. But hey, once the wrap come in, we wrap it, right?
You wrap it.
No,
I don't do
I'm
wrap.
wrap it. What's up?
Hopefully it doesn't last too long.
It's cool. Got the lip.
It's having a lot of fun.
All right.
Let's try to fit this shit in. Let's start with front bumper and go from there.
All right, peeps. Forgot to bring the tripod, so got the first fender off. Working on the second one, and Squirrel's lining it up right now.
Which screw did you take out from this one?
It's still a white one. Yeah, it's all white. It's all the white 10 millimeters. But yeah, and tighten this a little bit. But I'm trying to work out, get this side, and then we'll work on the side skirt and bumper. Bumper is pretty easy, but the fenders and side skirts requires just some bracket work, which is these L brackets over here. And here. Oh, well, like a Z bracket, but let's see how it is. And I'll update you guys a lot more once we move into it. And put the final touches in. It's really good, guys. Really love it. So that's the side view. Just a little bit. Pretty nice.
Just make sure the door clears again.
Looks good. Yeah.
Give me another bolt.
Gotta get this fenders out still. Gotta turn the wheel in this stick before I can get it up. Alright,
It's just tack.
so that's the one side. We got the fender off on the second side. Here it is.
Run it into the time lapse.
You want this on? We didn't put it on the other side.
Which one?
Because I don't think it's going to work.
I don't care. So these fenders is pretty much sold, by the way, guys. Same guy that bought my hood, Michael, or Miguel. I think it's Miguel. Yeah, he's gonna buy the fenders as well. So fenders are gone. Oh, new parts coming in. Old parts coming out. So an update. put the other side on. We still gotta figure out the bracket. But there is these mud things on the bottom that you have to unscrew it. There's only these little screws which are located here and one clip, so pretty easy to take off. Yeah, so in order to put it on like that, you have to take that off on the side. There it is. Gotta clean it up a little bit. But yeah, that's the update so far. Let's try to put the bumper on right now and then figure it out. So, yeah, it's just jacked it up, put it on a jack stand, and we're gonna figure out the side skirt. But this is what it looks like with the front bumper on. Ooh. Look at that. Mean mugging.
Actually looks low.
Yeah. Looks like what it's supposed to be with air rights. Well, yeah, just gonna figure this out real quick. It's got these brackets. Put it on. Yeah. Screws. So let's figure it out. All right, peeps. So we figured out the bracket. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. We sort of did.
We figured it out.
We figured it out. All right. So more like Dan. So that's how the bracket looks like. You actually have to drill a hole in here, and you put this clip. Where is it? Right here. So this clip's right here. This part right here will go inside, so it sits like this up top, and the black screw will go in here. This gold one will go in here, and then I got a washer behind it. But yeah, that's how it looks like. It's 4 on each side. Yeah, the short length one. There's 2 types of this. All right, there's a long one, and there's a short. So the short one is gonna be up over there. I messed up, so Dan had to refix it. And the long one's back here. So that's how it is. Oh, son of a bitch. So this side's almost done, and then we go over there, line up, drill the holes, and like Dan doing it, and we'll be done with that side. Pretty much done with this portion. Just wait for the wrap to come in, wrap it, and then wait until the spring to paint it. I'm gonna paint it, match the car, so it's gonna be a pearl white. But yeah, just cleaned it up. She looks really good.
Yeah,
very nice. All right, peeps. One side finish. Clean it up a little bit. That's what it looks like. There's Japan. Ooh, very nice. Once it's wrapped, it's gonna look beautiful. It's done. We're just taking the under tray off. Side skirts in, clean it up a little bit. As you can see, fenders are in. Actually, it's out a little bit more, so it fits the tire pretty well. Looks really good. I'll give you guys a better walk around in the next video in the day, but that's it. That's how she looks. But yeah, peeps, I hope you like the kit. I mean, I love the kit a lot. We're still missing, obviously, like the rear bumper and the quarter panel flare. This is gonna be painted in the spring to match the car. But in the meantime, we're gonna wrap it in the next video. So yeah, pretty much that's it for this vlog. See you next time. Peace.